The Constitution Defenders Forum CDF wishes to urgently alert the nation, the region, and the international community to a grave and unfolding situation involving our Governor, Honorable Tendai Biti. Sarabina Mashkubrangi Questions Agent Alert, CDF Convener Honorable Tendai Biti, under Sage. Subscribe or like or on the bell icon. And post my picture Sam Kuono and Rambirashiti. Earlier today, a group of unidentified men driving unregistered Toyota Fortuner GT6 for the Rangers vehicles they searched the offices of our convener. The men appeared heavily intoxicated and extremely aggressive. They assaulted our convener's driver and the women who were with him, beating them with baton sticks while brandishing what appeared to be AK-47 rifles. The driver has sustained injuries. During this attack, the assailants loudly declared that CDF will not launch in Zimbabwe and repeatedly threatened that they were going to kill Honorable Tendai Biti. They further stated that they had full knowledge of CDF's activities and chillingly warned that they would do more than what was done to Professor Lavo Matogo. After the group appeared to have disappeared, Honorable Biti left his office accompanied by other CDF leaders. Moments later, 3 vehicles suddenly emerged and began following their car. At this moment, we are extremely concerned because we have lost contact with them and cannot ascertain their safety or whereabouts. And if this was not alarming enough, additional vehicles including unmarked cars, police vehicles and officers, both in uniform and in plain clothes, have now surrounded the governor's office and the entire street area. It has also become extremely difficult to obtain pictures or document what is happening as suspected state vehicles are parked throughout the area and the individuals involved are aggressively charging at anyone who attempts to approach or convener's law firm. Even clients visiting the law offices are not being spared from intimidation and harassment. These developments are deeply troubling and they raise serious fears for the life and safety of our convener and those who were with him. Zimbabweans and the international community must understand that this is happening in a context where activists and political leaders opposing the 23rd constitutional agenda have recently faced abductions, torture, assaults, and intimidation. Given Zimbabwe's painful history, we cannot and we will not treat such threats lightly. The patterns, the vehicles, the methods, and the language used by these attackers be the hallmarks of operations Zimbabweans have tragically witnessed before. History has taught us what the system is capable of. Loma developments aripo muri Zimbabwe aiwa Tendai Biti opinda panguva yakaoma upenyu hwake nawo iti risk. Pinakomesa kuchemera boards zamafunguro emu kuti pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like achita on the bell icon.